Hello and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to discuss about most important question of SQL Server interview. So whoever is going to appear in SQL Server interview, that should understand the join logic, and practically this join logic is also going to be used wherever you are going to apply the join. So this is tricky but very helpful, and your 50% selection would be depends on this question. So once you are going to appear in interview, so make sure you are understanding these conditions. This question will show you that what will be the row count for all available joins for below tables. So we do have table A where ID column is having null 0 1 1, and the table B is having ID column that is having null 0 1. So I'm going to show you the result set of this tables, table A and table B. You can see here the table A is having this data which I already written over there. Similarly, table B is having data which I have already written over there, right? So the requirement is to get the output for below joins: inner join, left outer join, right outer join, full outer join, and finally cross join. So we do have these joins into our SQL Server. So I already had prepared this script to show you the result set, how it is throwing the data. So I'm going to execute this first one. You can see here the both column is having the same data. That means inner join is having 3 records, so I'm putting here 3. Now I am going to execute this left outer join. So you can see here I'm going to execute this, and this is returning 5 records. So left is having 2 nulls, that's why it is showing 2 null, and 0 and 1 1, that all included 5. Similarly, I am going to execute for this right join. So right join is having 1 null. So right table B is having 1 null, that's why it is showing this way. So total 4 records is returning through right join. And now I'm talking about full outer join. So after execution, it will show you that 3 nulls, 2 nulls from the left side table, that means table A, and 1 null from table B. So it all about 6 records. So as we know that in cross join we do not use on condition, and cross join is having Cartesian products returning, right? So it will show you the multiplication of table A and table B. So table A is having 5 columns including null, and table B is having 3 records including null. So 5 into 3 is equal to 15 records it is returning. So how it is calculating while applying join onto SQL Server? So it is taking the matching record. So here you can see table A is having 2 1 1 1, that is calculating with table B. So 2 into 1 is equal to 2. So this will show you the 2 records for 1, and 0 is matching with 0, that will have additional 1 record, right? So total 3 records showing here in inner join, and null is not equal to null. So whenever we are doing multiplication or any kind of calculation with the null, right, so that will return null. So simply you can understand is null is not equal to null. That's why inner join returning 3 records. So if we talk about left outer join, then similarly 1 1 into 1, like 2 1 into single 1, that will throw you 2 records, and 0 is 1 record considering here. And left table, that means table A is having 2 null, that will consider 2. So 3 and 2 is equal to 5, so that's why 5 records. And in right join, similarly 2 records for 1, 1 record for 0, and 1 record is for null, because table B is having only single null value. So 2 and 3 plus 1 null is equal to 4. So 4 records are returning here. And if we talk about full outer join, then similarly 2 records for 1, 1 record for 0, and 2 record for null from left side like table A, and 1 record null from table B. So 3 records for null, and 2 records for 1, 1 record for 0. So 3 2 1 is equal to 6 records. And similarly cross join is altogether different. So it is going to multiply with table A all records into table B all records. So table A is having 5 records, table B is having 3 records. So 5 into 3 is equal to 15. So that's why it is throwing or returning 15 records. So this is very tricky question asking in interview for SQL Server. Thanks for watching this video. If you really like this video, please hit the like button. And if you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you can get notification for the upcoming videos. Thank you.